If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in FIFA 24, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you ensure that your voice chat is set up correctly. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Make sure your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your device. Go to your system settings and check the audio input settings to ensure your microphone is selected and working. Step 2. Adjust in-game voice chat settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the audio settings. Ensure that voice chat is enabled and that the correct input device is selected. You may also want to adjust the voice chat volume levels. Step 3. Update your audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Visit your device manufacturer's website or use the driver update tool to ensure your audio drivers are up to date. Step 4. Check network connection. A poor network connection can affect voice chat functionality. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and consider resetting your router if you experience connectivity issues. Step 5. Restart the game and device. Sometimes, simply restarting FIFA 24 or your game and device can resolve temporary glitches. Close the game completely, restart your device, and then launch the game again to see if the voice chat works. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix any issues with voice chat in FIFA 24. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.